Beyond simply making a cup of tea, an electric kettle is a versatile kitchen tool that significantly speeds up various cooking and cleaning tasks. One of the most common uses is for quick meal preparation, such as making instant oatmeal, couscous, or cup of soup noodles, which only require a few minutes of soaking in boiling water. It is also an excellent way to get a head start on stovetop cooking. By boiling water in the kettle first and then pouring it into a pot, you can begin boiling pasta, potatoes, or vegetables much faster than waiting for a cold pot of water to heat up on a burner. For those who enjoy specialized beverages, a kettle is essential for preparing pour-over coffee or French press brews, providing the precise volume of hot water needed without the mess of a traditional coffee maker. This elite gourmet electric glass water kettle is a popular, budget-friendly option for those who need a compact and efficient way to boil water. This 1-liter kettle is specifically designed with an automatic shut-off function that triggers as soon as the water reaches a rolling boil, ensuring safety and energy efficiency. To further protect the appliance, it includes boil dry protection, which automatically kills the power if the sensor detects there is no water inside the carafe. The kettle features a borosilicate glass body that is 100% BPA-free and heat-resistant, allowing for a clear view of the water level while adding a modern look to your kitchen. During the heating process, a stylish blue LED light illuminates the interior, providing a clear visual indicator that the unit is active. For convenience, the glass carafe is cordless and detachable, so you can pour and serve without being restricted by a power cord.